Hi friends, welcome back to ARC Tutorials. This is SQL Complete Tutorial series for absolute beginners. If you want to get into data science, data analytics, or even want to become a full stack developer, working knowledge on database systems or having knowledge of SQL is extremely important and crucial. That's where this is my attempt to help you learn and master SQL with me. Today we are going to go overview of the commonly used SQL statements or commands or queries that are often used and you will require them on a daily basis. This is part 5 of the series. Before we get started, please do hit that like button, comment on the video, subscribe and share these videos with your friends and colleagues. If you need any tech support or training for your job, write to me at surya.aradhya@gmail.com. This is part 5 of the playlist. Make sure that you go through the first 4 parts in order to get the basic concepts and installation correct. Today we are touching base on the common commands that are often used on a daily basis. Again, these are just the common commands, not the complete list. We'll be going each one of these, we will be exploring in detail with all the variations, all the possible combinations, and with lot of examples. This episode is to only walk you through the overview. We will cover each one of them in detail and help you master it. That being said, the first common command that is often used is a select statement. Select statement will extract data from a database table. Update, as the name goes, it will update the data in a database table. That is, you're updating existing records or rows or data in a particular table. Delete will delete the data from the database table. I showed you if you have a table of rows and columns, select will bring all that data. Update will update that particular record. It can be one, it can be many, it can be all. Delete now will delete the data from the table. Again, it can be one record, it can be multiple records. Insert into a particular table with values. That means you are creating new records, new rows in a database table. Create database will help us create a new database. To edit any existing database, we will run the command alter database. To create a new table, the command that we run is create table. With the help of create table, we can create new table in a given database. To edit an existing table, we will run the command alter table. Alter table will help us modify a table. Of course, it has to be an existing one to edit it. Drop table. Drop table, of course, you need to have a table to delete it. So basically you are deleting an entire table using drop table. My bad, alter table here, it should only be a existing one, not the new, so that's a typo. Create index will help us create an index. Drop index will help us delete an index. Of course, it will delete only an existing index. Okay, these are not limited, but these are the commonly used ones on a daily basis. All right, so make sure that you take a screenshot of this, keep it with you, refer it as we progress in this series. That being said, in the next episode, I'm going to cover DML and DDL. Very important. Like I said, I'm going to cover each and every topic for you to learn and master SQL with me. So stay with me. I know some of these concepts you might think I have not yet started coding, and the reason is that I want you to have the fundamental understanding correct, and then coding becomes much easy. So thank you so much for joining in this episode. In the next episode, we will continue learning DML, data manipulation language, and data definition language. Please do hit that like button for me. Please do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.